In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on this BMW 328i. This is going to be located in the trunk on the passenger side. Let's get into it. In the trunk on the right side, you're going to see a panel right here. We need to remove that. There's a wing nut at the top. Just twist that to the left. This panel comes right out. Now disconnect the negative terminal. Use a 10mm socket. Loosen this up. Grab that. Take that off. Just tuck it out of the way. Now take this bracket off. Use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out. And this one over here. Take that out, remove the bracket. Under this cover right here, just pick this up. That's where the positive is. Take a 10mm socket, loosen that up. Pull that off, and this is just clipped on. Pull the clips off. Then you should be able to pull this out. Pull this out of the way. There's a connector here. Disconnect that. There's a connector right here. I'm just going to take a pocket screwdriver. Just get under this little clip. Pull that up. That slides out. And there's another connector over here. Disconnect this connector. Just push on the tab, slide that off. And this connector right here, just push down on that tab, slide that out. Pull this cover up right here. We're going to disconnect that connector right there. Use a 13mm socket. Loosen that up. Take that off. Move those wires out of the way. This piece you can move behind here. Just keep that out of the way. I'm just going to pull that panel back. That'll stay right there. And with a 10mm socket, there's a hole down right here. Loosen that up. And pull that up. Slide the battery forward. And then there's a hose right here. This should be attached. There's a vent. You want to pop that vent out. You should just be able to grab that with your fingers and pull it out. Now you can pull the battery out. You can grab the battery. This one has handles, makes it a little easier. Just pull it up and it's out of the way. Take the battery. Slide it into position. Now you want to take that vent tube and connect that in that hole right there. It's just missing on this vehicle. Make sure you connect that. Now take the hole down. Get that lined up. If you need to, push the battery back a little bit more. Just make sure the wires are out of the way. All right, get that started. That's good. Give the battery a wiggle. That's tight. And you want to connect this connector. Push down on that tab. And put the terminal over the positive. Lock down the clips. Now snug this down. That's good. And pop this cover up. Put this positive wire here and the nut. Get that started. Snug that down. I'm going to torque that nut to 11 foot-pounds. That's good. Close up the cover. You can push down this cover and reach down, grab this positive wire. That's going to connect right here. And the blue one is going to connect right there. There's a blue spot right there. I'm going to take the bracket, get the bracket started. Bolt right there, and a bolt right here. And I'll tighten this down. Snug that down. Tighten that down. Grab the negative terminal. Attach that to the battery. And we'll snug that down. Give it a wiggle. Make sure that's tight. It's good. Yeah, I'll take the cover. Get that lined up down below first. Just tip it in. And then twist the wing nut. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.